Hi, I'm Sharon Bulova, Chairman of the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors, and I'd like to highlight a few items coming up this Tuesday, October 28th, at our next Board of Supervisors meeting. In Admin Item 5, our board will discuss and take action to advertise a public hearing on the creation of a resident curator program. This program provides a unique option to preserve and maintain historic properties currently owned by Fairfax County. A resident curator program would be tailored to specific properties to allow for an individual or an organization to rehabilitate and maintain the property. The curator would reside in or use the property without paying rent, while the public would have periodic access to learn about its historic significance. This program is a great way for us to preserve the rich history of Fairfax County. Next steps will be a public hearing the afternoon of November the 18th in order to approve a code change for the program. The county would then begin to develop the specific parameters of a resident curator program. Two items before our board on Tuesday relate to the second phase of the Silver Line, which is currently under construction. With Admin 7, the board will schedule a public hearing on the issuance of bonds to finance the parking garages at the future Herndon and Innovation Center metro stations, together at a projected cost of $120 million. Under the proposed plan, the county will own and operate these garages, and revenue from parking would be used to pay principal and interest on the bonds. Action Item 3 amends an agreement with WMATA to allow the county to use revenues from the Metro Rail parking garages in the county to finance the costs of the Herndon and Innovation Center station parking garages along Phase 2 of the Silver Line. The construction, operation, and maintenance of these two new garages will also be paid for with revenue from the two new and existing county-owned Metro garages per the new agreement. The financing structure outlined in Admin 7 and Action Item 3 reduces the overall cost of Phase 2 by using parking revenues instead of tax dollars. It will be implemented if negotiations with the federal government for a TIFIA loan to the county are concluded successfully. Under Admin Items 11 and 12, the board will vote to apply for grant money to fund improved transportation options for older adults and individuals with disabilities. The grant money would be used to purchase 5 new fast-tran vehicles with wheelchair lifts and help the county implement new strategies to improve the mobility of older adults and individuals with disabilities in our community. Accessible and affordable transportation promotes independence and allows our older residents to age in place and helps us to follow through on issues associated with the Americans with Disability Act and Fairfax County's 50+ Action Plan. For our Fairfax County employees, Action Item number 6 will be a long-awaited vote on a new pay structure. This is a change from the former pay-for-performance system and has been the subject of much discussion and engagement with employees, staff, and board members over the past several years. I want to thank the many employees who participated in focus groups, who gave us your thoughts in surveys, and rolled up your sleeves in a succession of work groups. The hard work is paid off, and I'm looking forward to the adoption of our new system. Visit the county's website to view more details in the online board package. Separate compensation plans remain in place for public safety and school employees. On Tuesday afternoon, we will hold a public hearing to adopt Fairfax County's Bicycle Master Plan, as well as to modify the Transportation Policy Plan and 2002 Countywide Trails Plan map. The Bike Master Plan will recommend how bicycle-friendly design can be incorporated into future road and transit projects, and will provide policy guidance on how to further promote and enhance friendly and safe biking in Fairfax County. To view other items on the agenda, visit fairfaxcounty.gov and click on Board of Supervisors. An engaged community is a well-served community, and I thank you for your interest in Fairfax County.